Are you tired of losing customers because you can't reach them instantly? Learn how to add Telegram to your Whop business in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 simple steps to connect Telegram to your Whop business. Let's get started. Start by opening your Whop business dashboard. Then, click on the Add App button to get going. In the search bar, type Telegram. Once it appears, click Add to begin the integration. Click Continue with Telegram to proceed. Then, click Connect Telegram to link your account. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.